Hello and welcome to Budget with Brian. And today I just thought I'd do a really quick unboxing. I went ahead and bought one of these just basically to have as a separate little kit here in my apartment. And I'm quite happy with it. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So this is the Makita DF333DZ. It's a cordless drill with torque settings. It doesn't have hammer action, but these are currently on Amazon, body only, for £22. So this is how it comes, just as the drill itself. There are some specifications on there. So don't forget that you should always register your Makita tools because you get extra warranties. And what else do you get in the box? Just a belt clip, which I will fit because and by the look of it, a small bit. So obviously this was and you get a little brochure and a manual, of course. Of course, this is body only, so I did also go and buy a case. Now, this case, I think, was about £6 or £7 that I got. And then what I've done is I've grabbed a battery and a charger from one of my other kits, just because, I wasn't using it, daily, and I thought it'd be nicer to put it in with this box. So let's go ahead and put a battery on. I'll come back to that case in a minute and what I'm pairing it with. So there we go, there's the drill stood up. It's a nice, nicely weighted unit, to be honest. It's got a nice action, etc. So I'll just run around it. As usual, it's got forward, reverse. It's got an LED on the front, and it's got a very nice clicky clutch that then goes all the way around to the drill. So there's 20 torque settings there, and then finally drill. Position 1 and 2. This switch here is obviously a little bit more updated from some of the other ones that we've seen, and that it's got nice clear 1 and 2 rather than just black moulded. And I have to say that chuck there's no play in it, and runs pretty nicely. So as again, just to have here at the flat for doing those odd DIY jobs. So I will go ahead and fit the belt clip in a minute. I am a fan of belt clips. So what am I sort of pairing that with? I know, contentious, right? Why haven't I got Makita ones? So, to be honest, Milwaukee did send these out as a prize for entering one of their competitions, and it was quite easy to win. So I did end up with a couple of these, and to be honest, it's a nice little kit. So you've got pretty much everything that you need in there for doing little bits of DIY at home. So yeah, that's what I've paired it with. Links to where you can get all of these are available in the description below. So if you want to pick one of those up, there's a link to Amazon. But all in all, a nice, cheap and cheerful little kit from a premium brand. Quite like it. So just to show you what I am replacing here, is this behemoth Makita. I'm sorry this isn't quite far enough away, but let me get this horrendous thing out. What a beast. I would say it's not actually even as powerful as this new CXT. It's heavy, the battery doesn't last. I really need to replace the batteries. But it's just cheaper to buy one of these rather than try and keep this nasty big old beast going. And I haven't really even used it that much. Just not a great tool compared to these modern ones. So I think it'd be nice to see this case done just slightly differently. Maybe if the charger was a little bit more compact or something along those lines. But look at this, if I take the charger out, apart from this little nodule here which I could cut, it's almost a perfect fit for that, isn't it? Then you could get like a slimline charger in here, or maybe if the box was just a bit bigger. So anyway, if you're not already a subscriber, please do hit that subscribe button and hit the bell. Any comments below would be welcome. And as always, we're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Check out our Amazon store, which is new. And don't forget, subscribe!